my dear grade 6 student, right? So this is the very first lesson of your syllabus. What is the lesson, Patio? Circles. What is the lesson? Circle. So this is the first lesson and most important shape in the maths. වැදගත්ම shape එක. This is the most important shape. Then you know so many shapes are there, no? Triangle, squares, rectangle, hexagon. So many shapes are there. Ne? ගොඩක් තියෙනවනේ shape. ත්‍රිකෝණ තියෙනවා. But this is the most important shape in the figure. Right? In your syllabus, this is the first lesson, right? Very easy lesson within very few limited time, so we can cover that session. Quickly move to the lesson. What is the lesson? Circles. What is the lesson? Circles. So day-to-day life, what are the shapes? So we can see the circle shape, right? I'm just taking that bottle. Look at this one. Can you see the bottle? Right. Okay. Then you can see that bottle. Look at this one, circle shape. Look at the value, right? Circle shape is there. So this one is called a bottle lid. Neither bottle modiya. I'm taking that lid, right? Look at this one. That one also a circle shape. So you can see there is a circle shape, right? There is a circle shape on this one. Very easy, circle shape. Then you can place that figure on the sheet and you can draw the circles as well. මේක තියලා අපිට මොනවද අඳින්න පුළුවන්ද පැටියෝ? Circles අඳින්න පුළුවන්. නේද? That one is very easy. Circle shape. Right? Okay. Then so many circle shapes are there, right? Then you can see that figures on my right side. Coins. Then what are the coins, right? 5 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin. So those are the examples for a circle shape. Can you please tell me what are the other examples for the circle shape? Steering wheels. When you're moving on the vehicle, that steering wheel is there, no? Very important part of the vehicle, no? Steering wheel එක අනිවාර්යෙන් තියෙන බෑ නේද? Steering wheel is there. Then plates. So you can see a lot of plates, right? Paper plates and the porcelain plates, right? Glass plates. So many plates are there, right? And the drums, right? So you can see the cricket ball. You can see the circle shape in front of that one. ගොඩාක් ලෝකේ ගොඩාක් තියෙන පැටියෝ circle shape, right? There is a reason for that one, right? We will learn those things later, right? So this is the first lesson in your syllabus, right? Let's see what are the items in our garden. So you can see some items are there, some figures are there in our garden, so they can take the circle shape. And our kitchen as well. In our kitchen also, there are so many shapes in the circle, right? So day-to-day life, we can see a lot of shapes like circles, right? Okay, quickly write down this one. Just quickly write down this one. Circles, right? Okay, Lamai. So let's see some examples for the circle shape, right? So you can see this is the circle shape, right? Look at this one. Do you know that shape? Right? Yes, this is a circle shape, right? So you can see this is a circle shape, right? Then I have some porcelain plate also. Then I can take that one, right? You can see the circle shape. What is the shape? Circle shape, right? Those are the things so around us, right? Things around us. So this one, that a bottle, right? So you can see the circle shape, and for this one also, so you can see the circle shape as well, right? Circle shape, right? Look at this one. That item related to the science. Science වලට අදාළ එකක් තියෙනවා, right? Within this one, so you can see lot of circle shapes. Can you see this one? 1 and the 2, 3, So many circle shapes are there. 4, 5. So many circle shapes are there. Right? Okay. So those are the examples for circle shape lamine. Right? Then I'm quickly moving to some electronic item. What is that one? So you can see, right? Yes, this is a webcam. So you can see the circle shape, right, me? Look at this one. Camera, that means circle shape. So we can rotate this one, right? And the circle shape around this one, all the shapes are circle shapes, right? So you also can see so many shapes for the circle shape, right? Okay, then we can do this one. Quickly draw any circle shape. You can use mugs, plates, any item. All item එකක් use කරලා පැටියෝ ටක් ගාලා අඳින්න circle එකක්, just quickly draw a circle, right? Quickly draw a circle, then you can use any item, right? Just quickly note it down. A figure, right? Quickly note it down. A figure of a circular shape is given here. A figure of a circular shape, a figure of a circular shape, a figure of a circular shape is given here. A figure of a circular shape is given here. So you can see many examples, right? Then we can move to the next topic, right? Then we are going to identify what are the locations and the particular locations on the circles. Let's quickly move to the next one. Right, Lamai, look at this one. So you need to draw another circle shape, right? Look at this one. Right, mainly there are 3 locations around the circles. Main 3 locations. තියෙනවා පැටියෝ 3ක්, points 3ක්. Look at this one. I'm taking this one as A, right? Taking this one as A. And this one equals to B. This one equals to C, right? D, and also E. A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E, right? Look at this one. A, right? A. A is located on inside or outside. Inside or outside. Outside of the circle. A is located on the outside of the circle. Outside of the circle. Circle එකෙන් එළියේ. B, not outside. B, opposite one. What is the B? Not outside. B is inside of the circle. Right? Inside the circle. This one, outside the circle. A equals to outside the circle. B means inside the circle. C, not outside and also the not inside. Then C is on the circle. C is on the circle. Not outside or inside. C is on the circle. That means exactly on the circle. Right, okay, look at this one. A, right? Quickly write down A. Okay. A means outside the circle. Outside the circle. Then you can note down with me outside the circle. A means outside the circle. B patio. B means inside the circle. Very easy. B means inside the circle. B means inside the circle. B means inside the circle. C means on the circle. Very good. C means on the circle. C means on the circle. A equals to outside of the circle. B equals to inside the circle. C equals to on the circle. What about the D? What about the D, my dear? D also on the circle. D also on the circle. D also on the circle. Then E. E means outside the circle. E means outside the circle. E means outside the circle. Right? A, B, C, D, E. I'm taking additional one, right? This one is easy, easy, easy. F. Just quickly tell me about your F. What about the F? Inside or outside or on? Very good. In the circle, inside the circle. Inside the circle. So you can see there are mainly three locations. Inside the circle. Inside means inside the circle. Circle එක ඇතුලේ පැටියෝ. Outside the circle means out of the circle. Circle එකෙන් එළියේ නේද? On the circle means circle එකෙන් උඩ. On the circle. Right? Outside the circle, inside the circle, on the circle. I think this one is very clear. Right? Okay. Then you can quickly note it down. Then we can move to the next part. Right. Look at the subtopic video. Center of the circle. Center. Center means, then what is the meaning of the center? That point exactly equals to equidistance. That means from the center, this is the exactly midpoint. Hari meda. Circle එකේ හරිම meda. Center. That point is known as center. Right? That point is known as center. Okay? This one is known as center. That point is known as center. A point එකට කියනවා පැටියෝ center. Right? Okay. Then you know that shape. What is that shape? This is circle. Center and circle. Center and circle. Okay, right. Then you can draw lines from the center to the circles. So you can see all the lines are equal. All these lines are equal in length. All these lines are equal in length. හැම line එකම පැටියෝ equal in length. දිගින් සමානයි. This is not related to the grade 6, right? Grade 6 නෙවෙයි. But I will teach you, there is a very special name for that line. There is a very special name for that line. What is that one? Your line, you are drawing from the center to circle. From center to circle. That point is known as, that line is known as radius. චුට්ටක් කොළුවේ තියාගන්න හොදේ, not related to the grade 6. Grade 6 වලට අදාළ නැහැ. චුට්ටක් කොළුවේ තියාගන්න. Center, what is this one? Radius and circle. Then you need to remember these three terms. So what is the midpoint of a circle? That means හරියටම මැද. What is that point? Center. This one is known as circle. This one is known as radius. Right? Just quickly draw this on video. Next, I will show you how to find the center of the circle. I will show you that one, right? How to find the center of the circle. Quickly do this one. Right, Lamai. So we have to do the activity. What is the activity? How to find the center of the circle. Right? How to find the center of the circle. Then couple of minutes before, I just teach you then what is the center and what is the circle. Neither. We learn those things. So this one, how to find the center of the circle. Look at the first step. Draw a circular shape on a paper. Right? So you can see there is a circle shape on a paper. Right? You can use some plates and the marks, whatever the things you need to, right? You can use this one. You need to draw a circular shape on a paper. Then I'm just going to separate that one using the pair of scissors, right? I'm just going to separate this one. So you can see, right? I'm just going to separate this one. I already separate that circle, right? So you can see, my dear student, so this is the separated circle. Separate the circular part. Then you can separate the circular part. Third one, fold that figure which into two equal parts. Fold means navanna. I'm just going to fold that figure into two equal parts. Fold that figure into two equal parts. Right? Two equal parts. I'm just going to fold that figure into two equal parts. Right. Now you can see the fold lines. I think you can see this one. I'm just going to mark that one by using marker pen. Look at this one. This is the fold line. Right? I think you can see this one. So this is the fold line. Now what a possibility now fold line. Then look at this one. Fold that figure into two equal parts. So you can fold into two equal parts. Do the third step again and again. You need to do the third step again and again. Again you can fold into two parts. Now this is the figure. You can see this is the figure. Then again you can fold into two equal parts. Okay. Again you can fold into two equal parts. Right. Then you can see this one. You can fold into two equal parts. Now open the figure. So you can open the figure. Right. Can you see the fold lines? Shall I mark that one? Mark kala pennanna. Vibana patio. Fold lines. You can see the fold lines. Right? You can see the fold lines. Lamai. Then you can observe that, look at this one closely, you can observe that all these fold lines pass through the same point. All these fold lines pass through the same point. That point is called as center point. That point is called as center point. This point is called as center point. This is the point is called as center point. මෙන්න මේකට අපි කියනවා පැටිය මොකද්ද? Center point එක. So you can do this one. Then you need to do this one, right? You can get a paper and draw a circular shape, and you need to separate this one, and you can fold into two, again into two, again into two, and you can open the figure and you can mark the fold lines. Then you can draw, then you can find the center point. So this is the center point. Okay, right, very good. Then you can note it down, my dear student. Just quickly note it down and try to do the activity. Then we can move to the last chapter of the session. Right, Lamai, shall we move to the exercises? Right. So you can see some letters are there. Right. Letters inside the circle. What are the letters inside the circle? What are the letters inside the circle? B, is it inside the circle? No. P is inside the circle. A is inside the circle. O is inside the circle. So how many letters are inside the circle? A, P, O. A inside the circle. P inside the circle, Patio. Then O is inside the circle. Letters outside the circle. Letters which are positioned in the outside the circle. Can you see any outside letters? Outside the circle, I can see only one example for the outside letters. So that means only K. K is the one and only outside letters in this figure. Right? Letters on the circle. Letters on the circle. Letters on the circle means should be located on the circle. හරියටම circle එක උඩ පැටියෝ. What are the letters? B is okay. L is okay. E is okay. X is okay. B, E, L, X. Okay, right. Basically in this lesson, right, so we already identify what are the main three positions: inside the circle, outside the circle, on the circle, and especially how to find the center of the circle and what are the circle figures, right? So that is the lesson. Then I think that one is very clear to you, right? Right, okay, then this is the end of the first lesson video. Then we quickly move to the second lesson, right? What is the second lesson? Second lesson is a very interesting lesson. What is that one? Place value. So we can, I will teach you that one in the next video. So this is the end of the first lesson. Then you have to work to do. Try to do the questions in your textbooks and try to do the activity to how to find the center, right? Thank you very much, my dear student. See you on the next lesson. Bye.